Mr. Clean Magic Erasers are game changers, and this ultra thick version is even better. Let me show you. Now you can use these on everything. I truly clean my whole kitchen. They are really great on my oven. I love using these on my shower glass. I have yet to use them on grill grates, but that is brilliant. But really, these will erase everything, and you just use water. And this ultra thick size does not disappoint. It is super thick. It's got that great squish. It's really, really durable. I can't rip it. I have gotten some other brands that do just rip apart, but the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers really do hold up in a way that I have not found in any of the other magic erasers, and it is just impressive. Now I really do use these erasers on everything, but let me show you an example with my son's shoes because they are really gross. Now, of course, I'm going to wipe off the most obvious stuff, but there are stains that I can't wipe off with a soapy towel, and this is where the magic eraser shines. As I scrub with it, a little bit of the eraser will break apart, but it takes everything off this shoe in no time, and within less than a minute, I had the shoe looking close to new. So if you have a mess that normal cleaners cannot tackle, get this, and definitely get this extra thick version, as it really does last way longer and will really hold up to whatever project you throw it at.